Law Minister L. Jayant Kumar says Law Secretary is holding Director of Prosecution in charge post due to lack of befitted advocate for the post. Opposition leader Okari Bobby slams budget estimate for financial year 2020 to 21 as unrealistic. Manipur Cybercrime Police Station arrests 3 people involved in recent widespread ATM skimming in Manipur. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurates 10-day Saras Fair 2020 at Hapta Kangjebung Palace Compound. And Rakesh Moirangthem's Manipuri short film Pay, The Umbrella has been nominated for Chalachitram National Film Festival 2020. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Friday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Law Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayant Kumar said Law Secretary of the government is currently holding a Director of Prosecution in charge post as there is no befitted advocate for the post. He was responding to opposition MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan during the question hour of 10th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly, which concluded today. MLA Joy Kishan charged the Minister of violating the law by appointing a Law Secretary as Director of Prosecution. Responding to the MLA, Minister Jayant Kumar said appointment of Director of Prosecution was carried out under CRPC Section 25 Clause A and there was no violation of law. He added that the Law Secretary is not a full-fledged Director of Prosecution but an in charge. The Law Minister reiterated that no advocate of AMBA unfills these criteria of becoming DOP, hence the Law Secretary was appointed as DOP in charge. Opposition leader Okram Ibobi has slammed the budget estimate for financial year 2020 to 21 as unrealistic. He was making an observation on the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2020 proposed by Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren in the Assembly session today. Okram Ibobi said the budget will be extremely difficult to put into actions. He said state share of the 45 central sponsored schemes in Manipur seems to be omitted from the budget. He pointed out that the 200 crore rupees corpus fund in the budget will not be sufficient to contribute as state shares to the central sponsored schemes. Responding to the concerns, Chief Minister N. Biren said that appropriate state share budgets have been allocated to the relevant departments for the central sponsored schemes. He said the corpus funds of 200 crore rupees is kept for emergency expenses. Manipur Cybercrime Police Station CCPS has arrested 3 accused involved in the recent widespread ATM skimming in Manipur from different parts of Imphal today. The arrested persons are 35-year-old Sanjay Kumar, son of Chanda Singh, 38-year-old Ashok Kumar, son of Babri from Sultanpuri Nitharam, Delhi, and 29-year-old Kishan Rana, son of Rajbir from Haryana, Bhiwani. Speaking to media, Cybercrime Police Station SP Joyshri Lairem Movi said the 3 accused came to Manipur on February 26. She said arrested Sanjay tried to generate ATM PIN for people at the ATM at Segaro Thogda Bhabok Laikai, acting as SBI official around 4 p.m. yesterday. Upon his failure to generate the ATM PIN, one staff of Huen Lanpao as Johnson suspected Sanjay and handed him over to cybercrime police. Upon interrogation, Sanjay revealed the details of other two accused who were arrested from North AOC by cybercrime police. Joyshri termed the arrest as a big success of the cybercrime, stating that one Bluetooth card reader used by Sanjay in ATM skimming was lost at Sega Road. She appealed to anyone coming across the same to the cybercrime police station. The three arrested individuals have been remanded into 8 days police custody and investigations are underway.
One request I would like to make is that the device used for skimming is this device, this one, ATM card reader. And the person who was caught at Sega Road, his name is Sanjay. He said that he threw away this while running away, while fleeing. So that has not been found, even though we conducted a thorough search last night also. We also suspect there could be maybe some data embedded in this, which could be of very crucial help for us. So if the public, if anyone has seen this, we are requesting you to hand over. So in connection with this, FIR number 21 close to 2020 CCPS has been registered. Investigation is on. That is why we are asking you, the public through the press, for their cooperation.
CBI has raided 3 different locations in connection with Loktak Development Authority scam of 224 crore rupees. According to Impact News sources, the raids were carried out at LDA office in secure building complex and at the residences of LDA former project director Chongtham Gozendro at Singjamai Mathak Chongtham Laikai and Thongnaucham Ibobi at Khoyathong Irom Pukri Mapal since early morning today. Sources said CBI has recovered some incriminating documents during the raids. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj RD and PR Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurated 10-day Saras Fair 2020 at Hapta Kangjebung in Palace Compound today. Speaking at the inaugural event, Minister Biswajit said, Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission is striving to provide suitable trainings under National Rural Livelihoods Mission to unemployed women and youths of rural areas to make them self-sufficient. He said, Saras Fair Mela will showcase these successful initiatives of Manipur Rural Livelihoods Mission and products manufactured by its beneficiaries. Minister Biswajit said, Saras Fair that was held only once a year due to financial constraints will be held twice a year starting this year, stating that funds under Local Area Development Fund has increased from 1 crore rupees to 2 crore rupees this year. He appealed to local MLAs to initiate welfare measures for unemployed women and youths. Minister Biswajit also appealed to self-help groups and village-level federations to produce only value-added products and to make use of the available cold storages to prevent their products from decomposition. Chairman of Manipur Handicraft and Handloom Development Corporation Limited, Manitron, Manitco, and Manipur State Khadi and Village Industries Board and top officials of Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission attended the event.
Hojik akhoi na mioi bani hingba horak pada akhoi quantity da chatle quality da chatte hingna ba hona pada ngasi di akhoi hingana ba hona pada akhoi train tawre financial more or less akhoi gi 15000 de piram gado male every share gutra adu financial pi ba yam oire pi da basu pirani aduna akhoi di hojikti train tawrbane kari tawta akhoi hojik quality because we need marketing will become the very difficult part for the trained people. Adu value addition je phajana torkanda mathangi sahi dadi akoina sigi makta change la have je tawseba adu akoina ngasigi yongchak park sanna mai mafam sida lam lease da yaro le har kanda thanji madu cold storage hujikti capacity achoba mo hujik revive torbani masai da akoina thamale har kana mai port lorga adum deligi yolan jeba adu tari unseason oiba porta seasonal oiba port puthora gadi that will sound a lot.
Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District, Nongmaithem Bandana, has appealed to those who have already received Package 1 compensation for the widening project of National Highway number 102 Imphal More Road as a part of Asian Trans International Highway to extend cooperation for the project by knocking down their respective structures. Speaking to media at DC office yesterday, DC N. Bandana said Package 1 of the road widening project covers from Lilong Bridge till Wangjing Market an estimated stretch of 20 kilometers. She said out of the 1,081 landowners, 662 landowners have already received compensation. DC Bandana said the remaining landowners will also get their compensation at the earliest, stating that landowners were notified to demolish their buildings and other structures within 15 days on January 15, but they have failed to do so. The DC appealed to people to extend their cooperation and clear the land at the earliest. It may be mentioned that work under Package 2 of the road expansion project covering from Wangjing to Kokching Lamkai has been already completed.
Package 1 की area ओरिबा लिलोंग दगिना वांगजिंग भावगी जगह सिंगसिदा कोइना district administration na payment pp grabsing patada khudimakpu aina haizaningbadi leiriba structure building sing se yam athuba matam da sidopiro akoina sigi thabak si lambi sebagi thabak si haujaragani aduga makhata na akoigi thabak torokpa khudimakta national highway expansion ki related thabak sing sineda praja sing sina sajok pibiu haina ai appeal tawsari.
On the other hand, some landowners affected by National Highway 102 Imphal More Road expansion project have claimed controversy in the provision for land compensation. Landowners affected by the project at Waithau Trong Laubi in Thoubal district have claimed that Thoubal Settlement Office has denied them any compensation, citing that their lands were not affected at all. Speaking to media at Waithau Trong Laubi this morning, landowners Wangkhem Kulachandra and Yumnam Basanta said affected landowners whose names were listed in the order issued by DC Thoubal included in the compensation list went in to submit necessary documents to Assistant Settlement Officer Thoubal, but they were told that their lands were not affected and were denied get any compensation. Subsequently, they approached the DC to remeasure the lands, but unfortunately, the settlement team failed to measure the affected areas. They claimed that around 68 lakh rupees meant for them were transferred to a neighboring landowner's account and urged the government to look into the matter.
अखोई लमजी ओनब लाइदना डीसीना लमजी ओनब लाप कनादा लमजी सोकदब जगह लमजी सोन ओनद्रे सोइदब जगह सोरब अरीब हाने लंबी ओनना चलगा सोकदब जगह लमजी सोन ओनबीदब मरम करिगिनो मसी मरी लेनब डिपार्टमेंट येंजनबियो नद्रगदी हौजी लेकाइसिद लेमिनरिब इचिनाउसिंगसि अखोई नुंसि चानना हानदगी लेमिनरप इचिनाउ लेरिब मयामसिंगसि नुंसिनदना कौनदना खनसनेबगी फिबम मुदो हौजिक लाए aduna mari lenaba department na hariba posi ticket piu aduga hariba ningdemi harida higher authority ningdemi ja action lobby ningdemi bu dandi piu.
Manipur joined the nation in observing National Science Day on the theme Women in Science Today. Department of Education as Science Unit organized the event at Residential School in Lamboy Kongnangkong. Oral and written science quiz competitions were held on the occasion. Assistant Professor of Physics Department, DM College of Science, Dr. O. Baby Nanda, stressed on the theme at the event. Department of Library and Information Science and Advanced Level State Biotech Hub of the Department of Biochemistry, Manipur University, also observed National Science Day jointly on the theme Women in Science Today. A book titled Minds of Fire was released at the event held at the Conference Hall of Library of Manipur University. Dean of MU School of Life Science, G.A. Santibala, Deputy Librarian, Dr. Memory Sagolsem, Chemistry Department, Professor N. Rajamohan, and Physics Department, Professor Nimai, and many eminent persons attended the event. Directorate of Education S and Zonal Education Office Churachandpur also observed National Science Day 2020 at Churachandpur Higher Secondary School today. Over 100 students from 5 different schools attended the program. NIT Manipur Assistant Professor Dr. L. Herojit gave resourceful insights on the importance of science among the women in the country and society at the event. A quiz competition for students was also held on the occasion and winners were felicitated on the occasion. Fourth National Colloquium on Advances in Mathematical Sciences was held at Geology Department of DM College of Science today. DM College of Science and the Mathematics Department of DM College of Arts jointly organized a seminar sponsored by Director of University and Higher Education Government of Manipur. Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education M. Hare Krishna and Director of University and Higher Education K.H. Diana attended the event. A team of Narcotic and Affairs of Border NAB arrested 2 miscreants in possession of 7,000 bottles of illicit cough syrup from Tera Lukram Lerak, Imphal West in the wee hours today. The arrested persons are 27-year-old Haishnam Inauba, son of H. Lakshman from Lafupat Tera, Imphal West, and 33-year-old Moirangthem Rabi, son of M. Lokin from Khongjom Laibung, Thobal District. NAB police station has registered a case against them and investigations are underway. JC against anti-drug cell under Kuki in Churachandpur district has seized huge amount of contraband drugs from various places. The drugs include heroin number 4, tobacco leaves, 208 WI tablets and 6 boxes of poppy pus kani. Speaking to media, JAC Secretary Ngamphao Haukip said 1 miscreant was caught with a box of tobacco leaves from Bijang Mar Veng yesterday morning and acting on his confessions. 4 boxes of tobacco leaves and 6 boxes of kani were recovered from Foljang village. He said 3 volunteers of the JAC kept a strict vigil and managed to nab 1 drug peddler in possession of 2 boxes of kani. Acting on a tip-off, the JAC team also seized 208 WI tablets and heroin number 4 kept inside a 3-snun container hidden among mustard leaves from a man coming in a diesel auto rickshaw from Kwakta towards Lamka town. Ngamphao Haukip said the seized contraband drugs are worth around 35,000 rupees in the local market. A combined team of Imphal West District Police Commando, 39 Assam Rifles and 15 Assam Rifles arrested 1 suspected overground worker of proscribed KCP PWG from Langor Lai Manai on February 26 noon. The arrested person is 35-year-old Thokchom Imo, alias Imoba, son of late T.H. Kumar from Nongdam, Makhalaikai. Lamphel Police Station has registered a case against him and investigations are underway. People have shut down the OPD block of the 50-bedded hospital in Utadhol in Jiribam district. People from various parts of the district staged a sit-in at the hospital, demanding a regular hospital CMO, adequate staff and equipment of the hospital. Various placards were used during the protest meet. Speaking to media, Utadhol Maira Paibi Secretary Mutum Rose expressed disappointment that the government kept ignoring their demand for enhancing the hospital.
May laite, may thande ngarang ju amamada mayama doctor na somta thausabi de may jo loi mammi adu mathakta seme mo sia sindok piro akoi parjana ma se sungja jadre matik chade thabak tawbada ama thuna thu bam tamda sindok piro akoi gi doctor mafam je amtang doctor su mayam phuloi na thambiu adu ga seme mo su sindok piu akoi doctor leita bana akoi kasada chatna akoi layengi asi layeng ba se akoi jade seme mo su khudak ta sindok piro.
Loktak Leg Irrigation Development Farmer Association urged the authorities concerned to look into Loktak Lift irrigation project to provide irrigation facilities to farmers. Speaking to media, Association President N. Sanajauba appealed to authorities concerned to replace new water pumps of the project to enable it to provide irrigation to 9 constituencies of the valley. He also appealed to complete the digging of Imphal High Level Canal and Moirang High Level Canal at the earliest.
Imphal High Level Canal, Moirang High Level Canal, Hajanan Tina, Hanna Tobiu, Lulu Sector Yam, the Chimbu, Moirang, Lolben Canal, Imphal Men Canal, Imphal Lolben Canal, Madam Queen Ising Tadam in a Pundina, Lady Amma, and the Kradani for the Chindokiba. Mashimaju Chenimbu, Amapanda, Toriba, Gujarata, Harinada, UP the Toriba, Kenyan Suchem China, Manipur, Kenyan Suchem Disu, Yamu Marin Dana, the Sheminaba, for the Sakari, Sosina Hajabati, Madame Dane.
Manipur State Council Communist Party of India in a press release alleged that accomplices of the union government in Delhi or ruffians are assassinating those protesting the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the nomination of Manipuri short film Pay, the umbrella for Chalachitram Film National Festival 2020. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Friday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Manipuri short film Pay, the umbrella, directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, has been nominated for Chalachitram National Film Festival 2020. The film festival will be held at Jyoti Chitrabon Film Studio in Guwahati, Assam from March 6 to 8. It may be recalled that the film won the 7th Brahmaputra Valley Film Festival 2019 and also bagged official selection at Glokal Hornbill International Film Festival 2019 in Kohima, Nagaland, John Abraham International Short Film Festival 2019 in Kerala's Kozhikode, Mayor Medi International Short Film Festival 2019 in Pune, Clubby Online Mini Movie Festival 2019 and 3rd Chitra Bharati Film Festival 2020 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Advisor of Women Against Crimes WAC as Sobita has urged Maida Paibi groups, local clubs and the public to extend their support and cooperation in preventing any forms of crime against women during Yaosheng Festival. Members of 20 different women organizations held a press meet on the same at WAC office in Kanchipur today. Speaking to media, Sobita also appealed to stop holding Thabal Chongba after Yaosheng.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯐꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯛꯇꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨ ꯍꯥꯛꯇꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯊꯥꯕꯜ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯊꯤꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯪ ꯊꯥꯕꯜ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯦ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯌꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯊꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ.
Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University, Iroisemba, Professor M. Premjit, has stressed on the need for integrated farming to achieve the target of doubling farmers' income by 2022. Opening the 2-day state-level workshop cum honey festival organized by Integrated Beekeeping Development Center, Directorate of Extension Education CAU Iroisemba at CAU today, Professor M. Premjit said, family income of a farmer in Manipur is around 8,000 rupees per month, while farmers of Punjab earned double the amount. He said farmers' income can be enhanced only by integrating crop cultivation with rearing of livestock. Dean of College of Agriculture, CAU, Professor Indira Sarangthem, CAU Director of Instructor, Dr. S. Basanta, and Head of Entomology Department, Punjab Agriculture University, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Chuneja, attended the event.
Farmers income haragadi, farming, agriculture, animal husbandry, non-farm activities, tabak shubagi, wages, kabukta tabak shubagi, and kunchilaka and koi Manipur ladies, Hamada, Panadisi, average 7,800 muktani. Alu Punjab almost double the income as I 16,000 later. I call income double 7,800 even 15,000 Shunadagi, home Taraga, Manasi farmers income double Luren, other integrated farming system, Tauba, crops of Taba, Yanakada Yen Siopa, Koi Pusu Tamba, mushrooms of Toba, already quite a Tari processing value addition and Tauka. As a premium price, you will have it, you can see double or getting high.
One-day advocacy cum training program for self-help groups under Bandhan Vikas Kendra of Pradhan Mantri Bandhan Yojana was held at Sadhu Chiru Baptist Church today. Bishnupur Forest Division and Divisional Forest Officer jointly organized a program on the theme promoting tribal enterprise through value addition branding and marketing of forest produces. Around 1,000 women from self-help groups from hills regions of the state took part in the program. Forest Department distributed equipments to facilitate them in producing quality products at the event.
Now, with the intervention of this kind of program, self-help group kanguluna matugida process to uraba, aduga value addition. Product se agoy ka marketing house da makuda paisa involved to mayang do with the sing kusta. Natabade ko na once hek padadi yodo kandadi madu kanna ba madu di value mayang se.
One-day special outreach program on Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat has been conducted at Modern College in Imphal East District. Field Outreach Bureau of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, organized the program. Students who attended Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat exchange program in Madhya Pradesh shared their experiences at the event. An NS officer N. Bhuvan and NCC officer O. Ipov Bishak were the resource persons of the program. Outreach program on Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat was also held at Thoubal College today. A quiz competition was held at the event and winners were felicitated on the occasion. Annual Late Yumnam Kula Memorial Scholarship for students and Late Yumnam Kula Memorial Award for teachers given by IRA Foundation, a branch of Birla Emporiums Private Limited, are available from today. Speaking to media at Birla Emporiums Private Limited office in Kurai Chingambam Laikai today, founder CEO of Birla Emporiums Private Limited, Y. Ira Banta said, IRA Foundation started giving the annual scholarship and award since last year. He said students from nursery till PhD level can apply for the scholarship and any dedicated teacher teaching in a school in Manipur can apply for the award.
Scholarship sina tawjiri post atai nate ekhoi na meritorious oiraba haitare 60% dagi horaga mathak phauba score tauba chhatra singda free education pizza haitare hairiba meritorious scholarship amadi award distribution program na next year gi international student day ga international teacher day ga da ekhoi distribute tawjagani ira foundation gi makha da pizza ba ekhoi gi scholarship amadi award program se sida thangna na award winner amadi scholarship fangaga lakpa chhatra singda makhoi gi education loiraba matungda Birla Emporium na high riba satra jingdo ekhoi direct 100% placement roina pigadaba.
Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society Kimax launched Thangta as optional subject at Heritage Convent School in Uripok, Bachaspati Laikai today. Kimax members and school founder cum executive director S. Bikram were present on the occasion. Speaking to media, Kimag's Information and Publicity Secretary, T.H. Suraj Meitei, said Kimax, along with BOSIM and COSIM, has introduced Thangta as optional subject for school students in the state as a part of its ongoing initiatives to conserve the indigenous Thangta art. He appealed to those schools without Thangta as the optional subject to approach Kimax for introducing the same.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯦꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯤꯃꯥꯛꯁꯀ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯇꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ
Kindergarten Montessori School at Takil Kolom Laikai in Imphal has bagged the Best Public School with Academic Excellence in Manipur Award. Former Union Minister Maneka Gandhi conferred the award to Principal of Kindergarten Montessori School, L. Dhaneshwar, at the Asia Education Summit and Awards 2020, organized by Asia Today Research and Media, New Delhi, at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi yesterday. The award was presented in acknowledgement for the school's tremendous roles and contributions in enhancing education. Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur IMSCOM held its 5th Foundation Day celebrations at Chingmairom Adim Jati Amity Hall today. Social worker T.H. Arun, UCM President Sunil Karam, IMOM President Medun Marin and IMSCOM President Momsokan Bapui graced the event. Leaders of various CSOs and community leaders also attended the event. Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board released its annual Govindaji Seba calendar written by Pandit of the board Sanglakpa B. Rajendra today. The event was held at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple in Palace Compound. Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba and eminent members of the board attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Maidingu Laisemba Sanajauba said the calendar includes all the upcoming events of the board for the year 2020 to 21.
Hal Hamada, Sri Sri Govindajida, Hariba calendar, Kacharaga, Miam the Pongok Jabani, Bhakta Vaishno Punamanga Su Hariba calendar, Sinja, Masida Yauriba, Govindajigi, Sahi Magi, Akupa, Chatagada, Tabak Torom, Ayama Malabasa, Masida, Ying Biraga, Madugi Matungina, Govindagi Tawal Tobinova, Agimaki Degi, Tamzeri.
Hariba calendar, Da Yauribashi, Maruina, Govindagi, Sahimagi, Togodaba, Niyomniti, Adugatogudaba, Chavagi. Mong Hache Kang Haiba Julun Haiba Kishanma Taranjanma Mera Wayumba Mera Wapukba Rasana Gadaba Heavens Umayam say Sugani Yaurni.
CJI Care Foundation in association with NPCB, NHM, YVA Lamka Block, YVA Gampi Mall Unit organized a comprehensive eye camp at Gangpi Mall Community Hall yesterday. Dr. Kesham Roman, consultant ophthalmologist, along with other supporting staff of CJ Eye Care Foundation examined around 200 people for various eye-related problems during the camp. 10 cataracts patients were transported to CJ Eye Care Foundation, Langol, for the corrective surgery. Selection trials for sportspersons are taking part in the upcoming 6th Northeast India Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 will be held at International New Kung Fu and Kickboxing Academy in Ningthau on March 1st at 8 a.m. The championship will be held at Sivasagar in Assam from March 12th to 15th. Interested candidates may get further details from the academy. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Law Minister L. Jayantkumar says the Law Secretary is holding Director of Prosecution in charge post due to lack of befitted advocates for the post. Opposition leader Okrami Bobi slams budget estimate for financial year 2020 to 21 as unrealistic. Manipur Cybercrime Police Station arrests 3 people involved in recent widespread ATM skimming in Manipur. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurates a 10-day Saras Fair 2020 at Hapta Kangjebung Palace Compound. And Rakesh Moirang Thames Manipuri short film Bay, The Umbrella, has been nominated for Chalachitram National Film Festival 2020.